Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're painting a vibrant and textured scene called Desert Bloom, a peaceful desert landscape filled with cacti, sun-warmed rocks, and blooming flowers. This tutorial is part of our Floral Series, and it's a beautiful way to practice desert textures, subtle color blending, and natural plant forms. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to stay updated with future tutorials, go ahead and tap the bell icon. Here are the materials you'll need to complete this tutorial today. Pause here to gather these items. This information is also in the description below. Let's begin with the background. Squeeze a few drops of sky blue, titanium white, portrait tone, burnt umber, and yellow ochre directly onto your canvas. Starting with a wet, flat brush, blend the colors in horizontal strokes from top to bottom. The sky blue and white should dominate the top portion to represent the open desert sky. Keep your brush wet and your movements fluid. Horizontal strokes help create a gentle, natural gradient from sky to ground. In the middle section, softly blend in portrait tone, creating a smooth transition between sky and land. At the bottom, blend burnt umber and yellow ochre right onto the canvas. These warm, earthy tones will become our desert sand. Keep your brush wet and your movements fluid. Horizontal strokes help create a gentle, natural gradient from sky to ground. Once your background is fully blended and dry, we'll begin adding details. Take a small flat brush and load it with burnt umber. Begin painting rocky structures near the base of the canvas, irregular shapes, some clusters, and scattered stones. Layer in yellow ochre on top to add sunlit highlights. These rocks don't need to be perfect, just grounded, organic, and varying in shape and size. Layer in yellow ochre on top to add sunlit highlights. To add depth, use the same brush and colors to paint shadows beneath and beside your stones. This will anchor them into the landscape and create a more realistic feel. Now we'll move into the plants. Using a fine liner brush, load up sap green and start painting simple cactus shapes. Begin with oval-shaped leaves, then vary them with other desert plant forms. Use Viridian and light green to add variety and natural contrast. Cluster your plants densely at the front and space them out toward the back. You can also add a few saguaro-style cacti for vertical contrast, tall, column-like shapes that help guide the eye upward. With burnt umber and a touch of black, paint shadows beneath the leaves, staying consistent with your light direction. Time to bring this desert to life. Clean your brush, then add bright magenta and orange flowers blooming from the tops of your cacti. These little bursts of color make the scene feel hopeful and alive. Use the same detailing brush and lamp black to add spiky details on the cactus leaves. Keep the lines short, sharp, and a little random, just enough to give the plants texture. Finally, load your small flat brush with a bit of thinned burnt umber and add distant dunes or rock structures behind your plants. Keep the edges soft so they appear far off in the landscape. Finish by painting soft plant shadows beneath your cacti and rocks to ground everything. And there you have it, Desert Bloom, a colorful, warm, and grounded floral scene that celebrates nature's resilience. If this tutorial sparked something in you, we invite you to explore more with us. We offer both free and pay-what-you-can premium courses to help you grow creatively at your own pace. You can get started at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with Acrylic Arts Academy today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Until next time, happy painting.